Looking for a fun and easy Halloween treat, for humans only, of course? Give these Oreo cat cookies a try. Recipe: Oreo cat cookies. What you'll need: Oreos. I use the chocolate creme kind. Frosting: green and or yellow M&Ms. Circle-shaped sprinkles. You can also use heart-shaped sprinkles and turn them upside down. Chocolate chips. Black edible marker. Instructions: frost the back of the M&Ms, and attach them to the cookie for the cat's eyes. Use a toothpick dipped in frosting to attach the sprinkle to the cookie for the nose. Dip the flat part of the chocolate chips in the frosting, and attach them to the top of the cookie for the ears. With a black edible marker, draw pupils on the M&M eyes.